I've realized work trips feel completely different when my systems are actually supporting me instead of creating more stress. So before I settle into a hotel, I reset my routines, unpack my travel systems, and create a little more calm and ease. I just quickly wanted to show you my pouch system that I use for packing and go through each one. So in general, I keep these things in my suitcase ready to go. I do travel quite frequently, so this makes things easier and it reduces the stress and anxiety of figuring out what I need to pack. I'd like to show you what's in my nail kit. I have my nail polish remover, a base coat, a pale pink, and a shiny top coat. I have my Nail Teaks Formula 2 strengthening coat, which I put on daily. I have a few cotton pads and this balm, which is good for the cuticles as well as hands. I have my whitening stick, which can be used to put under the free edge. It typically works better if it's a little bit wet and it brightens it up. And then I have a nail file and a little nail brush. But otherwise, I just throw this in my suitcase. This is everything that I keep in my skincare pouch. These are all samples that I keep in there and replenish. In here, I keep a makeup eraser, a hand cream. I have ceramide capsules from Elizabeth Arden. This is a nice tiny little container, and I just refill it up with my primary stock that I have. And then I have these little Clos de Peau samples, which are so cute. There's the serum, the lotion, the eye contour cream, and the face cream. My La Roche-Posay Cetoplast Soothing Cream I can use on a dry patch anywhere. A few of these mini Neutrogena makeup remover pouches. A sunscreen. This is a Supergoop sample. My YSL lip balm. I have a mini Rhodial vitamin C with ferulic acid, so I can use this in the mornings to keep my skin on track even when I am traveling. This is face wash that I bring with me. Caudalie, I love it. It's a gel cleanser, very refreshing. And the resveratrol eye lift, and my Augustinus Bader Rich Cream sample. In addition, I bring these Nicole Beauty reusable eye masks. They're just little eye masks that you can rinse off after you've used them over any eye treatment that you have. Then you put them back in the little container. And I have my Augustinus Bader eyelash and brow serum, so I use that every night. I have two of these, one in my travel bag and one in my usual stash. And then I have these Clos de Peau cotton face wipes, but I always bring a makeup eraser. I prefer this for cleaning my face. It does such a good job of removing the makeup. They're so gentle. I find that the face cloths at hotels generally are very rough and abrasive, so I don't want to use those on my face. Oh, I also have a wash off. If I can have a few moments in the evening to relax and rejuvenate and pamper myself, why not? So that is skincare. I'm going to show you what's in my hair pouch. I have a brush, a couple of alligator clips for when I'm blow drying my hair, and a scrunchie. I also have all these baby samples. I just refill them if I use these up. This is an anti-frizz. This is an anti-frizz treatment. I've got Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Mist. I have a heat protectant from Dry Bar. Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo. Now this is 2.4 ounces, so it is the right size for air travel. I also have some Briogeo Kerastase, my big hair volumizing spray. This is another Briogeo. And then I have a Pantene treatment. If I have extra time and can do some kind of a treatment, I can do a hair mask. So I have that with me, and some sample shampoo and conditioner from Redken. And when I get back from a trip, I do a quick look over to see if anything needs to be replenished or replaced, and then it goes right back into my suitcase for the next trip. This is my dental bag. I will bring some toothpaste, dental floss, and then I also like to throw in a hand sanitizer, a lip mask like Laneige, and then some eye drops. I will bring a toothbrush, maybe a bamboo toothbrush as well. And then I have a cover for on the way back if I want to save it. And then I have a couple of Luminous whitening strips. In the evenings, it's nice to unwind and pamper myself a little bit because typically on these road trips, it's very demanding in terms of the time that you're in front of customers, or if you're at a trade show, you're on your feet all day. So it's nice to recharge. I will also typically put in a couple of these picks. This bag contains miscellaneous. This is my deodorant, Band-Aids, eye drops. I have some body shower gel in here. I also bring a tweezers, and then I have my razor. I like to keep with me is a pencil sharpener for my makeup pencils. This bag has my everyday makeup. I don't keep this in my suitcase all of the time. I have to keep it organized and then throw it into my suitcase when I'm ready to go on a trip. So I have my road milk. I have my Charlotte Tilbury skin tint. I have my backup for this trip. I have my YSL foundation, my Victoria Beckham skin tint. I am loving this. This is with Augustina Spader. So depending on my mood, one or a combination of them will be used. I have my YSL eyeshadow palette, my Armani liquid eyeshadows, my Victoria Beckham eyeshadow palette, YSL bronzer, Westman Atelier biscuit bronzer, my Rhode blush, Merit blush, my Giorgio Armani blush, my Anastasia blush. I have my Clos de Peau highlighter. I have two mascaras here. My Victoria Beckham mascara in brown, which is really small, and I like this for the lower lashes. And then this is my SL Lash Clash in brown. Then I have several different concealers. My Armani concealer. This is a Clos de Peau stick concealer, and I have Tower 28. And then this Nicole eye brightener. Oh, I didn't mention this. This is my brow fluffer upper, I would call it. I have another pouch here, which I'll go through really quickly, and it has my brow pencils, and I have two Benefit brow pencil and Valentino, and my Victoria Beckham eyeliners, which are my absolute favorite. A Fake Awake pencil, and then I have a Charlotte Tilbury double-ended lip liner, which is handy because it's got a light one and then a darker, and this Pat McGrath lipstick slash liner, and this Rhode chubby pencil. Between these three, I have enough to play with. I also have a gloss with me in my purse. In this bag, I just throw anything that's random. I have a body loofah sponge, some Q-tips, paste pads, a small Kleenex. I have this, which I really like at night to spray on my pillow. It's a magnesium reset spray, and it smells great. I take my current body face mask. This obviously is not always in my suitcase, but I do like to have it with me. I just recently upgraded to this latest edition, which has 3 different kinds of red light therapy. I have my plugs, cables, and chargers bag. That includes, I always bring a extension cord because you never know what's going to be available in a hotel. I have earbuds in this little container, an extra SD card, and iPhone cables. I like to bring my Beats. So ideally, I can have my noise canceling headphones with me on a plane. I know it seems like a lot of separate bags, but it really does keep me organized. The whole idea is to reduce friction for my trips. If you're somebody who travels a lot like me, you understand you don't want to have to start from scratch for every trip, whether it's a business trip or a pleasure trip. I know that I am all good to go as far as skin care, nail care, dental care, hair care, electronics. It removes all of that energy and concern around, am I going to forget something? Really, all I have to focus on is what am I going to pack to wear for the trip? And For example, it's May and I have two business trips this month. One, I will be gone for 3 days, the other one, a total of 5 days. Into my tote will be my laptop case with both my laptops, my planner, my snack, which is dates and almond butter. I have some ibuprofen, my beets, and then I'll bring a banana for the car ride. I typically prep all of my supplements and medications in advance. This is actually 2 weeks worth, but it's small, so it fits in my suitcase, no problem. When I check in, I like to get unpacked right away. So I've set up all my electronics. I have my personal laptop with my subscription audit that I'm working on. I'm going to continue that project this week. And I also have my work laptop with my planner and my daily schedule. When I travel, I also bring snacks and I like to have oatmeal packets for breakfast along with my protein powder I have here that I use with my coffee. And I have my nighttime cocoa mixture that I've put together myself that has magnesium and some other ingredients in it so that I can keep up my routine even when I'm not at home. So before I go on a trip, I like to pull together a plan of what I'm going to wear, and I like to plan my outfits, know exactly the activities that I'm going to be doing while I'm on the trip, and then make sure every piece that's going in my suitcase has a purpose. So I'm going to show you what's in my suitcase in the hotel room. Show you what I packed for this 3-day trip: a cardigan, a sweater dress, pajamas, a couple of t-shirts, a crew neck sweater, a pair of dark jeans, and a structured blazer that I can wear with either the dress or the denim. For shoes, I brought my red ballerinas, my Vivaya pumps, slippers, and the tennis shoes that I drove in. I also brought my inflatable compression boots to keep the inflammation down in my legs after driving. They collapsed to nothing and fit right in the suitcase. I'm getting ready for a business dinner, and working in technology sales, I'm often the only woman in a room, so I always aim for a classic, polished look that carries an air of authority. For anyone entering the corporate world, my top piece of advice at work events is to have a one drink max. People remember, and you never want to drop your guard. I also choose to duck out early. When the party moves to the bar, I head out, so the final impression is she left because she has things to accomplish. Finally, punctuality is key. If you are hosting, arrive 15 minutes early to align with your teammates and set the table stakes for the meeting. Tonight is a celebration for our customers' successful implementation, and we are out to honor their hard work. I'm back home now. It's actually Sunday, and I've been busy editing the video. What are your favorite tricks or tips for packing, either for a work trip or a pleasure trip? Would love to hear some of your suggestions below. If this is the kind of content that you like, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It means the world to me. And in the meantime, take care of yourself, take care of your future self, and have a lovely life. Bye.